Hi, everybody. I just wanted to take a second to show how students can complete financial literacy through Google Docs. This is the easiest way I know how to do this without being able to hand in paper. And it's not going to be always easy on a Chromebook because Chromebooks have a smaller screen, but I think I have a way to do it that's going to work for everybody. The number one thing we got to do is when you sign into your Chromebook, you're automatically signed into your Fondi Students account. So if you're logged into your Fondi Students account, then you're going to be able to create documents and share them with me through Gmail. So let me just walk you through from the beginning. So you've signed into your Gmail account, you've entered your password. Make sure you're in your Fondi Students account and not a personal account. It'll make it a lot easier for you. So the next thing you do is you want to go to fondigido.com. I open that up. We see the home page. And on this page, then we're going to go down to Financial Peace University. And with Financial Peace University, I'm just going to just show you chapter 1, part 1 to start there. So if I click on the chapter, you're going to notice there's a red button. And the red button has the complete document for chapter 1, part 1 on it. So we click on that, and then Google Docs is going to open the document. Now, I have more access because I created the document, so it's mine, but you guys should have the ability to view it. What we're going to do is just do a file and make a copy and say, okay, just keep the original copy in there. Just keep it in there as copy of whatever it is, copy of chapter 1, part 1. Hit OK. And then you're going to have a copy of the document, and it's going to be yours. So you can edit this document. You can do whatever you want to it. But most importantly, you can click and you can start entering things like the words that are supposed to go in the blanks. So what you do is once that document is open, we're going to go over here to watch, just to start with the first one, chapter 1, Dave Ramsey's story video. We'll click on the video or in the button, and then we have the video. Now, what I would do to make it easier so it fits, so you can maybe do two things at once here, is I would take the tab and I would drag it over so it's not a part of the other window. Now what we can do is we can take the video and we can shrink it so it fits on the page. But I want to make it smaller, or as small as possible, so it doesn't take up too much of my screen. I'm then going to pull this document over and also shrink this to something reasonable that, I can read the words and I can also be able to watch the video at the same time. So now I can watch the video by clicking on it, and I can listen and I can fill things out over here on the document at the same time. When you're done with that, when you've completed everything, what you can do then is just click share. And you can find with people, just start entering my name, Kent R, and you're going to see Randy Kent. You're going to click on my name and you're going to share it with me, and you're going to give me editing privileges. Okay, so it enables me to make comments on the things you do in case you need to change anything. So once you do that, it's going to go to my email, and I'm going to be able to notice it and then keep track of it, give you feedback on your document. And I can also then record everything you have done on a spreadsheet that shows everything you've already completed. This way you can hand things in to me without having to hand me a physical piece of paper. As far as the assessments, once you hand this in, I'll go ahead and send you a copy of the assessment associated with the chapter you're doing. And then you can also do the same thing, make a copy of it, send it back to me by sharing it with me, and then I'll make comments on it and share it back with you, and then we can record it that way. This way, you don't have to use paper. You can send it to me at any time, and I can just keep track of things and make sure everything gets recorded and in. Okay, so if you have any questions on that, please go ahead and contact me, but hopefully this worked for you. And this will be able to be one way you can hand in things to me without being able to give me paper. Thank you. Just let me know if you have any questions.